Hi guys, welcome to the channel. I'm going to do a quick introduction video on mk2 Golf I'm just about to start building. My Land Rover, you see it there, that's finished, that's in for the MOT in a couple of days. So now it's time to start on the mk2 Golf, so I thought I'd do a quick video. I'll try and keep this short and sweet. A quick walk round and discuss what I'm going to do. To sum up, I've owned this for quite a few years. This is a personal project, not a work restoration, and it's been sat in that concrete garage since 2011, so nearly 10 years. And it's in a bad way. I used to use it as a work car, so it just used to get botched, but it went like stink. So yeah, it's a 1989 mk2 Golf 1 in 10 million edition in oak green, so it's got to be worth saving. But yeah, I'll give you a quick spin around it. Right, as you can see, it's definitely seen better days. It's about as rough as me. It's probably slightly better condition than me, to be fair. It's yeah, it's got the usual rot. The arches are going to want replacing both sides on the back, sills, inner sills, battery box is yeah, usual signs. The rest of it's not too bad. It's got surface rust, it's got leaks. The fuel filler cap is yeah, slightly crusty. The rear turrets aren't bad. It's got a slight bit of surface rusting on this side. That side is going to need a bit of welding, but nothing major. Floors, passenger footwell is in really good shape, considering normally it's that side that rots out most. Driver's side is going to want some. It's had some botchy repairs in the past. Interior, I have got the full interior. I stripped it out a couple of weeks ago because we've had some mice living in there. Yeah, and it didn't half stink. It's literally not been touched in 9-10 years, so it's. I didn't even leave a bit of a window down or anything like that, so it stank. It's gonna have full engine rebuild. I'll do that myself. The only thing I probably won't touch is the gearbox. There's a gearbox specialist not far from me who's reasonably priced, so I might as well get it done by professionals, really. I haven't taken the rear bumper off yet, but I dare say that that's going to need some work behind there as well. I'll try and get a view. It's just, I've had loads of stuff around it. I'll try and get a view down that side. You can't really see. The arch is usual, rotten. I've got some panels already for it, but not many. I'll get them as and when I need them. So yeah, it's going to be a full, more or less bare shell rebuild on this one. Not sure what extent I'm going to go into it with the videos. Let me know what you want to see, really. Do you want to see literally every single nut and bolt coming off it and how I've done it and all that lot? Do you just want just quick updates every now and again on how it's going? Or do you just want me to shut up and not bother at all? Let me know. Comment and let me know. Like and subscribe if you want to see it. It's going to be a long-term project. I have to work as well. I have to earn a living. So I do other vehicles. It's not just Land Rovers and Volkswagens. But yeah, I mean, if you want to see full detail on engines coming out, bits, welding, there's a lot of welding to be done on it. You can see the sills are pretty bad. I did cut out the other year. I did cut out the worst of the rot on it, just to try and save it from going any further. But it's, and you can see on the roof, there's little rust spots on the roof. Yeah, it's gonna be pretty much bare metal most of this, I think. It's a shame, really. I just didn't have time for it. I was that busy restoring other people's cars, I didn't have time for my own. and it just got sat there, and I could never bring myself to get rid of it. So, I mean, I've had this, what, since 2007, I think now. Yeah, and it's rare as well because it's actually got the full original glass, green tinted glass. You don't see that very often. Yeah, let me know. Let me know what you want to see. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more.